Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain how to check ADP and ENP expire date. So first going to ADP expire date, ADP updating, open, and then going to preview. For ADL area 5, Admiralty digital lesson light area 5 with 0625 ADL Admiralty digital lesson light area 6 with 2725 Admiralty digital radio signal volume 2 area 1 and area 2 just for week 0625 and week 2725 Admiralty digital radio signal 1345 area 1 and area 2 0625 and 2725 Admiralty digital radio signal volume 6 area 5 and area 6 0625 and week 2725 Admiralty to the type table Admiralty type table to the type 0625 and 2725 this for weekly update and then this is certifying to install version Admiralty digital application computer desktop. This for computer desktop number is license for youth until Saturday January 31st 2026. So just for ADP expire date and then it inspector on board they can add your ADP expire. So just time we must be show him and then it just time it you can print also possible need to print. That's for ADP expire. ADP expire going to ADP updating. Next ENP expire how to check going to open ENP reader need to open and then they have two are going to certificate generate view. So they have they is certifying to Ocean Coin IMO number license Admiralty electronic nautical publication and license until 28/02/2027. This license address supplied by this for ENP 30, ENP 32A, ENP 38. This for permit expire. You see permit expire that update. ENP 38, ENP 48, ENP 44, ENP 63. Permit expire and let's update. Then ENP 100 Marina Hamburg permit expire. Let's update. ENP 136 Ocean Pacific for the war. ENP 231 Admiralty Chiropractic EMC. Just permit expire. Let's update. And ENP 232 231 Chiropractic EMC. ENP 232 policy and procedure. Attack policy and procedure. Let's update and permit expire. ENP 294 how to keep Admiralty digital product up to date. Permit expire. Let's update. That's for ENP 31423 and 25. Nautical Omnibus 223 and 225. Let's update. This for permit expire and let's update. ENP 735 ILA file system. Permit expire and let's update. ENP 5012 ENP symbol. EMC attach symbol. Permit expire and let's update. So that's complete and then it finish. Just for it inspector on board just time asking just you are ADP and ENP ADP and ENP show me you are ADP and ENP expecting. So just time for ADP first going to update it and then preview just for ADP expire and then ENP expire need to open ENP two certificate generate and view. So just also this ENP permit and just expire and then now and if finished okay finished. Now this ENP need to update and then after I internet where we connect need to quickly update ENP and ADP. So this video already completed. This video for how to chart ADP and ENP expired date. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share my channel. See you next video.